With the latest VinylCut 5 software released by AM.CO.za, the installation process has become super easy. The old versions required printer drivers to be downloaded from cncu.co.za, but with the latest VinylCut 5, it is a simple drag and play process. Download the latest VinylCut 5 from www.vinylcut.co.za. From the homepage, go to Download and scroll down to VinylCut software. From there, follow the prompts and download it. Then plug your vinyl cutter into your computer, switch it on and launch VinylCut 5. Start a new project, give it a name and set your cutting dimensions over here and click OK. Click on Cutter and a USB serial device tab will pop up showing connection and port selection options. Now, for V-Series, V-Smart and Vinyl 4 cutters, choose USB 2.0 in connection and auto-detect for port and then click Test Connection. For V-Smart Plus and V-Auto, choose COM USB serial in connection and auto-detect for port and then click Test Connection. It really is that easy. And if you are still not sure, you can always just leave port as auto-detect and go through the connection options one by one, clicking Test Connection each time until the vinyl cutter responds. And that will be the correct connection. And note, if no device is found when you launch VinylCut 5 after a new installation, just reboot the computer and all should be fine. Great. I hope this helps and thank you for watching.